Tried my car this morning and it would not start. So, gonna boost it. My husband walked me through the steps what I needed to do, especially for the Honda Odyssey, how to get to the battery. So, let's get going. I could call a tow truck to help me boost the car, and they would charge me around $50 to $100. They could also tow it to the next dealership, which is about 3 kilometers away, for $95. But I don't need to do that because I've invested in knowing a skill and in this product here. This is the DeWALT portable power station jump starter. It's good to boost the car, but also to top up the air in your tires for the car and also for bikes. If you like this episode so far, please take a second to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification and share with a friend. Black on black. And go to jump start. I turn on the car. Car is on. Turn the machine off. Take the black cable off. Make sure it's separate from the red. Put everything back. Put the bolts back. One here. This one I kept off because I'm going to the dealership.